Hello and hi everyone, my name is Akmal. So today I'm going to talk to you about my project entitled Alicia. So I'm not going to talk about what Alicia is, but I'm going to talk about the mechanisms or the design behind building this website. So as you can see, the first thing is home. We have at the top we have the favicon icon. It says home with my logo, and then we have at the top left we have the logo, the company's logo, SSR Alicia. Okay, so we have about 8 menus, which are home, about, features, contact, portfolio, FAQ, privacy policy, and customer feedback. So at the home page we have the title, the subtitle, and a real-time clock. So if I go down, it will display also all the section or homes available, which is about, features, and so on. So let's first go to the about menu. So for the about menu, the thing we need to know is that the header, the designing of the header and footer is basically the same for all of the menus. So I'm just gonna explain this first. Okay, so for the header we have the background image, and then we have the title, the subtitle, and we have at the left here we have a real-time clock, a real-time date and days, and we have a real-time weather. So I took this code from various websites, and then for the weather we have in Kuala Lumpur, because I set to Kuala Lumpur. So if you want to change the location, you have to change the code. So this code is embedded in Google Sites because Google Sites has limitation. You cannot have the weather code in the Google Site yet. Okay, so this is basically the designing of the header. It is the same for every website except for home. Okay, and the other section. Okay, so in about page we have the first is project overview, what Alicia is. We have the poster that I have designed during my past tasks, and then we have the objective, the scope of this project, more pictures, project timeline. Okay, so the thing about project timeline is Google Site does not have the ability to insert a table in our website. Therefore, this table is actually embedded into this Google Site. So it is actually project timeline is actually a Gantt chart. You can say it like that. And then we have banners and video commercials. Okay, so this section is basically a showcase of my previous task also about the video animation and video, about the animation task and video task. And then we have banners. We have two banners here. The upper one is actually the header for the Google feedback form, and then the bottom one is the task that I have designed with the poster from before. Okay, so we have this is the footer section. We have customer care and follow, and we have our logo here. So customer care, we have fact, privacy policy, terms and condition. Just in case users does not want to go to the navigation on the upper one, we have then also FAQ, privacy policy, terms and condition on the footers. So the button works fine. And then for follow, we have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So if I click YouTube, it will go to my YouTube page. It will take a while, so let me just explain things. And then Facebook, and then Instagram. So it's gonna take a while to load, so I'm gonna explain about other things first. So return to top button is actually a button where it will open a tab inside this. It will not open a new tab, but it will open the if we are at the about section, it will open about section, because Google Site it does not implement the if I click this button, it will no. If I click this button, it will go to the about section, just like that. Okay, so for features, now let's look at features. So for features, head is the same, and then we have Alicia's features, and then we also have software and hardware. So software and hardware is basically a table. Also, I embed a table. So the thing about software and hardware is it actually have a special effect, which are if you hover your mouse onto the table, it will go like this. It will have this yellow box, sort of 3D effects. So okay, so this is the thing that is special about the feature special. And then for contact page, the head is the same, and then we have, sorry, just tell the YouTube. So like I said, if I click to the footers for YouTube, we'll go to YouTube, Facebook, and then my Instagram. Okay, so for contact page, we have this number here, and then my mail. So if I click to, sorry, it's gonna take a while. So let me just explain other things. We have a Google form where user can interact with me, and then the address, the geolocation. So if I click to my number, it will open a new tab where it will, you can contact me through WhatsApp lah, basically. If I click the email, it will go to an email. It will open email, send directly to me. Okay, right, so that is about the contact page. And then for portfolio page, okay, the head is the same. So this is me, about a little bit about my background, and then my past project. We have more pictures, what I did during my degree time. We have more pictures, and then we also have 2 videos here. So it's gonna take a load. It's gonna take a while to load. So okay, after that we have let me just get back to this after this. So we have more projects, more pictures, and then the footage section, the return to top. Okay, so as I said about the video, so it's still not loading. It's okay. Let me just close this first. Okay, sorry. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna cut. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna cut that video because it takes so long to load. Okay, so as you can see, this is the video. If you click play, it will play here. So since my internet connection is not strong, so I cannot show you that lah. Okay, so let's take a look at FAQ page. So if I click this button, footer, or I can click to the navigational button, it will go to the FAQ page, which basically display the frequently asked question that users possibly want to ask. So we have this drop down, question and answer. Okay, so that's all about the FAQ page. And then for privacy policy, it's actually I did this on an online website, which basically I just need to insert I just need to fill in a few details about my project, and then it will create the privacy policy for my company, something like that. Okay, so this is the privacy policy we have. This, I'm not sure if you're gonna read it or not, but the thing I want to show is that, okay, so at the bottom we have privacy policy for Alicia, that's my skippy row. So like I said, I did this on an online platform. So I think this is okay for now. Then for customer feedback, so we have what are the says about this. So basically we have 4 testimonies. The picture I got from Pexels, and the name is actually the owners of the picture. It's not, maybe this woman right here is not Ramasundana, but the owner of this picture is Ramasundana. So like that lah. Okay, so that's all that I want to share with you guys about my project entitled Alicia. So thank you so much. Feel free to give a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, before I forget, sorry, we have this little search bar button here. Let's say we actually can search things inside my website. So let's say I search about cycling tracker. So it will search through the website about the things that I want to know. So let's say for cycling tracker, we have result from this site is under portfolio section. Okay, so if I click to this link, it will direct me to the portfolio page, and then maybe something down below we have, oh yeah, this second tracker. So you can actually search for keywords or things that you need to know in the search page. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.